What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, look. Hey, before the video even gets started, man, let's get these ads rolling. Let's get it. Let's go.
I'm having some shit for me in the trunk, don't need to be big. Got a whole lot of bins in the bankroll, how the fuck you stripping out to get a big hit? I got 20s and 50s and 100s, that shit look real pretty when I spread.
Order your premium quality Up Next beanie today. DM on Instagram at upnextlifestyle or at upnextmalyt. Style your hair and take your drip to the up next level. Alright man, we back from the ads, you know what I'm saying? Let's get straight into the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure that subscribe button, hit that like button, turn on post notifications, man. Alright? You know what I'm saying? Make sure I go cop, make sure I go shop. Don't live up under no rock, baby. DM at upnextlifestyle or at upnextmalyt, man. Go cop, go shop. You know what I'm saying? We got all different types of flavors, baby. All different types of flavors, man. Make sure I go put that on, alright? Make sure you put it on like me, you feel me? Look how I just put it on, you feel me? And if you're from the A or you from GA, period, you gonna know what I'm talking about when I say put it on, you know what I'm saying? It ain't about what you wear, it's about how you wear it, you feel me? So make sure I go cop. Make sure I go shop. Don't live up under no rock. Alright? Also, we got the Dread Journey. We got the Dread Journey community. Make sure I go over there too. We got the $1 loyal supporters, you feel me? Just for all the loyal people out there, you feel me, who just want to stop by. Here you go Up Next, just for all the hard work you put in. I fuck with you, I rock with your channel, this and then the third. Boom. I got the $5 24/7 live group chat for everybody who out there who saying they need help with their dreads, man. Make sure I go join that $5 24/7 live Discord group chat. Make sure I go check that out, right? I got a $10 subscription, $10 subscriber videos, so y'all can just hop in my videos and boom, I place you right there so you can react, so I can react to your dreads and other viewers can see your dreads and what you're rocking with, alright? You say you got nice dreads, you say you got unique hair, let me see it, man, let me see it. You feel me? Then I got the $25 exclusive content where it's just a whole playlist of the ins and outs of my dreads and how I got my dreads the way they are, how I got them so healthy, man. My dreads been healthy, and I'm telling y'all, my dreads been healthy. You feel me? What's up with your dreads? Can we see your dreads? Can we see? Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. And as you see with these beanies, I've been hiding them. No, I'm just playing. I ain't been hiding them. Though. But as you see, man, yeah, 3 years. You feel me? No retwist in a couple months. You know what I'm saying? We've been going through it. Nah, I'm just playing, bro. But really, in reality, man, these beanies, you know what I'm saying? These beanies that even the regular beanies that I just came out with, that I just released, right? They're comfortable to my hair, so I never really have to, and I might rock the beanie. I might rock the beanie like this for the rest of the video. Nah, let me put it on. Let me actually put it on. But yeah, man, I never really. That's how you get your dreads right inside of a beanie. Just a pro tip out there. But I never really have to get a retwist, anything like that, because I'm rocking the beanies. You know what I'm saying? I'm rocking the beanies, and if I get a retwist of anything like that, y'all gonna see it. You feel me? I'm probably gonna get my next retwist next month though, so it'll probably be making 3 to 4, 5 months. Like I say, I don't keep up with my dreads. When you're going through this type of journey, man, y'all gonna learn, man. When you're going through this type of journey, and when you growing out your hair, this and that and the third, you kind of lose track of time, the timing of your hair. I'm not talking about what time it is, or like what day it is. Sometimes I do lose track of that too. But what I'm trying to say is, I be losing time with my hair. I be losing time with my hair. Like, I know I'm around 3 years, but I really gotta go back into the stash and look at all the photos to know like how many months I'm into it. You know what I'm saying? So as I'm doing this, as I keep producing content, as I'm just basically living for y'all, man. I produce products, I produce services. Make sure I go check out that Patreon link so you can get the better understanding of your dreads and everything like that. Even if you a common supporter, if you just a subscriber, man, make sure you become a loyal supporter, okay? And make sure you go click on that Patreon link, second link in the description, right? So I'm just constantly thinking about y'all. I'm constantly producing for y'all. I'm constantly doing things for y'all, so I really don't get the time to really think about my hair or anything like that. I do think about my hair while I'm producing for y'all, but other than that, man, I'm just so focused on y'all, so I really lose track of, okay, I haven't got a retwist this month, I haven't got a retwist that month, and you know, you kind of get not caught up in, you kind of get caught up in life, you can say. You can say you get caught up in life, just going through stuff, you know what I'm saying? So, but the best thing about dreads is, you could just keep going, man. You could just keep going. Like I could just wake up and I could just shake my hair and I'm good for the day, you feel me? The best thing about the beanies is I could just wake up, shake my hair, and I'm good for the day. And I can really put something on, you feel me? I can really, when I put it on, you know what I'm saying? I ain't talking about me, but I'm gonna say you, okay? When you put it on and you walk by a female, damn, that's a nice ass beanie. They gonna remember you by that beanie, okay? Cause something that you're gonna notice about a female, and some things that y'all notice in life, period. When you get them new J's, bro, and you walk by that female or you walk by that person, damn, those some nice shoes. They gonna remember you by them shoes. That's why I keep trying to tell y'all need to put these beanies on. Y'all need to put them on. They gonna remember you. Damn, what that is? Yeah, that's the Up Next. Yeah, that's the Up Next beanie. Yeah, they gonna see that. They're like, damn, he really up next. Yeah, that's how you wanna be. You really wanna be up next out here. Yeah. So yeah, man, I just, like, you don't really think about it when you're going through the dread journey, you feel me? You don't really, damn, I gotta get a retwist this month, I gotta get a retwist that month. Now, if you in like the beginning stages now, you really thinking about it, is because like you just got them, you excited, you know what I'm saying? But once you get used to having them and messing with them, and you gonna be like, I got them, you know what I'm saying? I got them, you feel me? And I'm really, and more say, the main reason why I keep these is to really to pleasure y'all, you know what I'm saying? No, whoa, wait, to pleasure y'all. Nah, but for real, it's to really accommodate. I think that's a word. We gonna check that. Accommodate. I know I know that's in my vocabulary tank somewhere. Let me see. Accommodate. Damn. Accumulate. Okay. That ain't what I think it is. That wasn't what I think it was. Okay. Anyways, damn, Mal, damn. Updates, Beanie. But nah, for real. I really don't think about it. You know what I'm saying? To really just break it down to y'all, I really don't think about it like that. And that's about it, bro. I know like a lot of y'all be asking me questions. That is what the Patreon is for, man. That's what that's for that $5 that 24/7 live group chat. Yeah, go tap into that 24/7 live group chat where it's me and it's other subscribers over there. So yeah, y'all gotta tap into that. You know what I'm saying? I know a lot of y'all be DM me on Instagram, DM me over here, DM me over there. But man, I done helped so many people, bro. It's like, it's time for people to start taking my time more serious. You feel me? Like, I had people like hitting me up 24/7, back to back, texting me like I'm their girlfriend. You hear me? I'll be like, damn, you know what I'm saying? Like, you my subscriber and everything like that, but damn, I'm trying to make a video for you. You feel me? So to have that under control, the serious people, they gonna tap into the group chat. The people that actually want to get their questions answered, they gonna tap into the group chat. And the people that's not gonna tap into the group chat, they just not gonna get their questions answered. Okay. But I appreciate y'all for everything that y'all did. You know what I'm saying? Without y'all, none of this stuff would be possible. That's why I constantly come back to YouTube. That's why I make 3 videos a day for y'all. That's why I do all this stuff for y'all. It's because of y'all, you know what I'm saying? That's why I'm coming out with products. That's why I come out with services. It's because of y'all. Anytime I can help y'all, that shit make me feel better. It really and truly do. That shit made me feel better. When I come out with these products, hey, up next beanie, the satellite beanie, we sold out of them bitches real quick. The up next beanie, the up next regular beanies, yeah, we about to sell out of them real quick. You feel me? Cause y'all about to put this shit on. I believe in y'all. But nah, anytime I come out with products and stuff like that, man, just know it's mostly for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I done been through the dread journey. Like, I'm going 4 months without getting my hair retwisted. Like, you see, like, I'm just living life. You feel me? Like, it's my 3rd year. I'm going through it, bro. You know what I'm saying? Not like that, but I'm just saying, like, I'm enjoying the journey. You feel me? That's what it's all about. Make sure y'all go cop. Make sure y'all go shop. Don't lift up under no rock, man. Go actually put this stuff on, man. Go put it on, you hear me? Go put it on like I'm putting it on. So when you walk past that female, ooh, damn, that's a nice ass beanie. He look good. You know what I'm saying? Also, Patreon link in the description, man. 2nd link in the description, man. Make sure y'all go shop over there, man. We got the loyal supporters, you know what I'm saying? So if you a loyal supporter and you just wanna there you go, up next. Thank you. Okay, we got that for you. You feel me? If you just wanna show some love, you got the 24/7 live group chat. Go over there. You feel me? We got the subscriber videos where you can get a chance where you are going to be in my videos. You know what I'm saying? And you also can be in the group chat too. Then we got the $25 exclusive content, man. Make sure y'all go over there. And man, it's a full playlist of videos on how I got my dreads and anything like that. If y'all want a deeper understanding and y'all want a visual understanding of how I got my dreads, man, go over there and get that content, you feel me? And you will also be in the group chat as well, okay? I appreciate y'all for stopping by. Make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button. Go cop, go shop. Don't live up under no rock. You hear me? Catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.